In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Workspace data. Navigating the digital world can sometimes seem daunting, especially when it comes to managing and exporting data within your Google Workspace. Don't worry, you're in good hands. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to do it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Workspace. To begin, make sure you're on the correct website for Google Workspace. Once you're there, the site will prompt you to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Workspace purposes. This might seem basic, but ensuring that you're using the right account can save you a bunch of time down the line. After selecting your Google account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to type it in. Remember, ensuring the security of your password is crucial, so never share it or enter it on suspicious websites. Once your password is entered, look for the Next button and click on it to proceed. This will take you further into your account's management options. Now, this next step is where some people get a bit lost, so follow closely. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a square dots icon, which is essentially Google's universal symbol for more options. Click on this icon to unveil the various apps and tools at your disposal within Google Workspace. From here, we're heading into a more administrative realm. You need to access the admin console. If you're not exactly sure where that is, look for a link or visualize navigating to admin.google.com. This should take you right to where you need to be. The admin console is your command center for all things Google Workspace, allowing you to manage users, devices, and settings. Within the admin console, your next stop is the data section. But stay with us, this is simpler than it sounds. The data option is geared towards giving you control over the information your Google Workspace holds. Now head over to Data Import and Export. Google has designed this feature to give users like you and me the power to manage how data moves in and out of our workspace. This is crucial for tasks like backups or migrating data to another service. Finally, you're going to click on Data Export. This is the gem we've been looking for. Google's data export feature is designed to make exporting your data a breeze. Whether you're leaving Google Workspace, backing up your data, or just need a copy of your information for record keeping, this tool is designed to help. And just like that, you're all set to export your Google Workspace data. Remember, the internet is vast and sometimes intimidating, but with guides like this, you're never alone in navigating it. Safety, security, and efficiency are our top priorities. Thanks for following along with this guide on exporting Google Workspace data. Whether you're doing this for security reasons, for a backup, or for transitioning to another service, knowing how to export your data is a valuable skill in the digital age. Remember, take it step by step and you'll be just fine. Happy exporting.